I've got some nice meaty bacon because we're making BLT, bacon leek and tomato turkey flatbread pizzas. And there's only a couple of tablespoons of drippings in the bottom of the pan. So I'm going to use all of that because we're going to cook the leeks down in the drippings from the bacon. For the tomatoes, I've got some water coming up to a boil, and I'm going to use some sun-dried tomatoes not packed in oil. I'm going to add our leeks to our bacon, turn that back up to wilt them down in the drippings, and we're going to pour our boiling water over our sun-dried tomatoes to reconstitute them and make them nice and tender. For the flatbreads, I bought one of my favorite items in the grocery store, garlic naan. And the way you cook these is to sprinkle a little bit of water onto a hot griddle and put them down until they blister. Once you flip them and the water absorbs, makes them nice and tender, brush them with a little melted butter or olive oil. We're gonna build the pizzas on our naan breads when we come back. So once your garlic flatbreads have been brushed with a little bit of melted butter or olive oil, you're going to top them with some of your reconstituted tomatoes, your sun-dried tomatoes. These are little baby sun-dried cherry tomatoes, so I just coarsely chop them. The bigger ones just cut into strips, of course. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of baby kale or baby spinach would be lovely, primarily so you don't have to make a salad. And then it's BLT, bacon, leek, and tomato. So we're going to add, double T really. So we're gonna add our turkey, which I warmed up in the pan with the bacon and the leeks. Put our turkey across the top. And you can serve these for brunch, lunch, or dinner. For brunch, I would even top the whole flatbread with an egg up or over. Be delicious. Nice fried egg up on top. BLT and E then. And then we're gonna top all that with mozzarella cheese. All right, so rosemary on top of that, and then we're gonna broil these suckers. I'll show you what they look like when we come back. So these are our garlic naan turkey flatbread pizzas. They look amazing. And remember, these are awesome for brunch. You just slap an egg up on top and you cut into it and it gets all good and yummy.